Hi everyone, welcome to Veronica Hug. Today I wanted to show you something new. So I have here a new wool type I want to try out. So this is called Prolana Star Wool in particular. And I will show you how you can do a really nice flower in 2 colors. So it's super simple for beginners and it's a really nice decoration when you finish. So I hope you guys are going to enjoy. I wanted to say apart from that, so my needle size is going to be 4 millimeters and we are pretty much ready to start. So let's do a ring and then 5 singles and 3 chains in between each. I'll show you how you can do that so that you can follow as well. Now close the round up with a slip stitch that goes through the first single you did, and then we will take the yellow thread to get a nice change. Now, the next what we're going to do is for each petal, we're going to do 1 single and 1 half treble, then 1 treble, and 1 doubled half treble, a double treble, and again a half double treble, a treble, and a half double treble, and 1 single. You see the nice round bow we get as our petal. And always close up with a slip stitch. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the project. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Feel free to shoot a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. That way you'll always stay updated with everything I do. Until our next project, have a great day. Bye!